Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're talking about the GPI pack of 100, 2-gallon clear plastic reclosable zip bags, the best 2-gallon Ziploc bags in bulk. Whether you're looking to organize your home, store items, or pack products for resale, these bags are a game changer. At 13 inches by 15 inches in size and made from durable 2mm thick plastic, these bags are designed to last. The reclosable zipper top ensures your items stay secure, and they're perfect for anything from clothing to office supplies to craft materials. These bags are airtight, waterproof, and dustproof, providing added protection for your stored items. One of the standout features of these bags is their versatility. They're ideal for both personal use, like packing and storing clothes or organizing your pantry, and professional use, like packaging products for resale or shipping. The material is made from low-density polyethylene, which makes it flexible yet strong enough to handle a variety of contents. Not only that, but these bags are also freezer-safe, making them a fantastic option for meal prep and storing frozen foods. When it comes to convenience, these zip bags have it all. The resealable top ensures that you can easily open and close them multiple times without worrying about the seal losing its strength. This is especially important if you need to store things for extended periods. The bags come in a bulk pack of 100, so you'll always have plenty on hand for all your storage needs. What's even better is that these bags are 100% food-grade safe, non-toxic, and odorless, ensuring that whatever you store in them remains safe and uncontaminated. Whether you're organizing small office supplies, keeping your toiletries tidy for travel, or even storing homemade snacks, these bags provide the perfect solution. So, if you're in need of reliable, large, and durable zip bags for all your organizing and storage needs, the GPI pack of 100, 2-gallon clear plastic reclosable zip bags is the product you need. Grab yours today and experience the convenience and quality of these top-tier plastic bags. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews on the best products out there.